Hey there, if you are watching this video, then congratulations, you have downloaded my 28-day meal plan, or Bridget's four weeks of food, how I cook. I thought I would do a quick little video with you guys just so I can talk you through the meal plan. Your meal plan will look something like this. I've printed mine off in black and white. You could print yours off in color. And what the first thing you're going to notice, of course, is that I've broken everything down into days, and then we've got breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then we've got a snack column there as well. So definitely, if by all means, if you haven't already, stop the video now, go print you off a copy, or even if you can just have this document open in front of you so that you can sort of, as I'm talking through it, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So first thing you will notice when you look at my meal plan is that yes, I've broken it down into those 4 different boxes: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And the recipes that I have in here are taken pretty much straight from my cookbook. So if you were to look at the very first box there, so Monday breakfast, what I have there, Monday breakfast, is my chicken Scotch eggs, and that is on page 68, says that there in the little box, and I've got them written there as well, 1 times the recipe. So what that basically means is the recipe is chicken Scotch egg. Now, by the way, if you don't eat chicken, you could swap it out for beef mince instead. You could also do turkey mince, or you could do lamb mince. It's completely up to you. So I would definitely suggest, if you haven't already downloaded my Go Food, No Food list, will give you alternatives. So for example, you go, I don't eat chicken. Here's some alternative protein sources you could use. Or maybe you're in the veggie shop and you're like, oh my goodness, broccoli's really expensive today, and you see that zucchini is on special, so you know that you can swap it out, and you can swap it out for really good alternatives. So definitely, by all means, go through and download my Go Food, No Food list, which is phenomenal. It's about 11 pages of every different food category broken down, so you know which are the good ones to choose, as opposed to the ones you should eat maybe not so often, and the ones you should definitely avoid. It's a great little resource, that booklet as well. So that's what each box looks like. And what that basically means is that you'll turn to page 68 of Bridget's Healthy Kitchen, where the recipe is, and it's telling you to do 1 times the recipe. So you just basically follow the recipe. Now remember, this meal plan is written for 1 person. If there is a couple of you, you double what it says in that first box. So if it says 1 times the recipe, you do 2 times the recipe for 2 people. So no matter which box you look into, that's pretty much what I've got. If I go along to the next box, which is Monday lunch, you've got my cottage pie, which is made with beef mince, but of course, you could use lamb mince, you could use chicken mince, you could use turkey mince. In fact, you could also do scrambled tofu through there as well. That is on page 86, and it says 1 times the recipe. So just follow that, nice and simple. If you do 1 times the recipe of the chicken Scotch eggs, that'll actually give you 7 Scotch eggs. So we're gonna use that on Tuesday breakfast as well. We're going to use it on Wednesday breakfast. We're going to use that chicken Scotch egg on Thursday lunch too. So you see there's a little bit of variation going on there, which is really, really nice. And this is how I eat. This is literally what I do on a weekly basis. And these meal plans were created because so many people have asked me, what do you do? How do you break down your week? And this is what you have here. So follow each box. You'll find that what I've also done, if you look at the lunch column, I have made lunch the most substantial meal of the day, because that's how I've been eating. I get most of my calorie count and my nutritional content actually during the day. As opposed to the night, I get a bit more lighter. So you will notice that there is cottage pie for lunch, which is fantastic and lovely and hearty. The next one on Tuesday lunch is my salmon and broccoli gut healing bowl. So basically what we do is we double up on dinner with the salmon and the broccoli, and then we take the salmon and the broccoli and we include it into my gut healing bowl for lunch on Tuesday. So we've doubled up. That's how we do the double ups, or round 2 as I call them on the meal plan. So keep an eye out for that. If you want to know more about my gut healing bowl, I have made a video to show you exactly what my gut healing bowls look like and the type of ingredients that you can use it in as well. So check that out. And that's pretty much how our week goes. The only other column you've probably got to be mindful of is the snack column there. So in this document, you have a list of the suggested snacks, and you choose 2 from the list, whether it be a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts, completely up to you. You choose 2 a day. Of course, you make sure you drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water a day, which is really, really important to make sure we keep on flushing through things through our system. And I've also given you a suggested beverage list as well. So that's my meal plans. That's how I work it out. This is all what I do. If you want a copy of the book, of course, you can get a copy of the book book, Bridget's Healthy Kitchen, if you don't already have it, or you can even buy it on Kindle now. So we're going to drop in those little codes there, so you know where you can go and buy the book if you want a hard copy, or where you can go buy the Kindle version. But keep on watching out for these QR codes and these videos. More information coming your way. Thank you again for downloading my meal plans. I hope you enjoy them, because I totally am. All right, take care. Bye.